We'll guide you through how to create jewelry using Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and fill in your details. Once you're in, click on the catalog at the top of the page. In the catalog, you'll see various categories, so find and click on the jewelry section. Here, you'll be able to browse different types of jewelry like necklaces, bracelets, and rings. Choose the type of jewelry you want to create. Let's say you choose necklaces. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options from different suppliers. Select a product that interests you. After selecting, you'll be directed to the design interface. Here you can upload your design by clicking the Add Your Design button. Make sure your design file is high resolution to ensure the best print quality. You can adjust the position and size of your design on the jewelry piece. Use the preview function to see how your design looks on the actual product. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save Product to add it to your store or to your product list. You can further customize the listing by adding a product title, description, and price. Make sure to check the shipping options and delivery times offered by the supplier. Finally, click Publish to make your product live in your store. And that's it. You've successfully created a piece of jewelry on Printify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.